Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you actually get viral YouTube tags, or for in short, YouTube tags for your YouTube videos this 2023. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this site is called rapidtags.io, and all you need to do here is input the keyword for your certain video title, and just input that, copy and paste that, search for it, and just copy the tags and paste it on your YouTube video tags. So for example, let's go ahead and see the a certain channel, YouTube title channel. So let's paste that and see what will we do on what tags we'll get. So for example, this will guarantee your videos to be able to have viral YouTube tags. So just copy that and paste it on the description or the tags description on your certain video on your YouTube studio. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is quickly how you can create viral YouTube tags automatically. Thank you for watching and goodbye.